Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a wild minute. I've been through a lot the last couple months. I haven't really put anything out. Oh man, I don't even remember how long it's been, but anyway, I'm sort of kind of back. Going through therapy for the foot. Yeah, torn Achilles tendon. So I'm working on that right now. And thank God, Scotty and Michelle are working on the 55 for me. So that's a big plus. So we're getting some stuff done. Fitting up the wheel tubs. Yeah, it hasn't been exciting stuff. I'm gonna put a video out just to show everybody what we're doing. But you know what? We're gonna actually start finally getting to the point where we're putting this car back together. So that should get sort of kind of exciting. So who knows? But yeah, anyway, you know what? Enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe, like, throw some comments out there. Let me know what you think. Let me know that you guys are still here to watch whatever I put out, I guess. Sorry, there's nothing really that exciting. It's just, you know what, it is what it is. But, okay, let's get to the video. Ingenuity. Nice. There's a guy that goes over here. I had to cut it and cut a radius in it.
Okay.
Weld it back together and then grind it.
Alright.